Hey guys, it is me Ubaid, and today I will show you how you can replicate the exact same agent which you have built using Retell, VAPI or Synthflow or any of these drag and drop platforms. You can replicate the same with the LiveKit, which is open source first of all. So you have all the ownership, right? All the control over how the agent works, and you can deploy it on your own servers. And even more than that, you will be free from the per minute costing of these platforms, right? The Retell VAPI or whatever, right? Now how this platform works, obviously I'm expecting you already know, but if you don't know, they charge you by the minutes. So you can just search for Retell Pricing and you can go to their pricing, and basically they charge somewhat around 7 cents to, let me just take a look, 7 cents to 12 cents. Yeah, so 7, 8, and when you change the models like the LLM and all of that, the price change also, right? So 7 to 12, or I don't know, 15 cents they charge you per minute when you use their platform. Obviously it's easy to build, it's good for MVP, it's good for something you want to have like up and running like in one day. But if you want to go for something serious and you want to use it for like business with hundred and thousand of calls, you probably would like to explore this LiveKit. And let me just open this up also. And why LiveKit? Because this Retell AI is also based on LiveKit, so they are using LiveKit as their backend, and then they are building this platform and then providing you as a service. Okay, so why not you just directly go on the LiveKit and build the agent there? So it's same as like, if you want to buy something like one or two pieces, you go to a retail shop. But if you want to give a order of like thousand of pieces, then you can visit the factory outlet of a company, and obviously there that will be more efficient in terms of cost, right? Okay, now, so I will just tell you how you will be doing it. I will test it here. Before that, just let's do a Google search. So let me search it in my Explore. So I will just say, is LiveKit not is Retell AI built on LiveKit? I obviously know, but I want to do it a Google search quickly for you. So yeah, even OpenAI use them, right? So have built their conversational AI products on LiveKit, right? And if you don't know what VAPI is using, VAPI is using a different architecture, not the architecture but the platform. So VAPI is using media pipe, no, not the media pipe, but so something like that, but you have to search for the exact name. So there are only two platforms which are available. One is the LiveKit, which I personally use. The other is, I think, PipeCat. Okay, I just forgot the name. It is PipeCat. Yeah, this is one which VAPI use, and both of these platforms, LiveKit and the PipeCat, they are both totally open source, and you can just use them as you would like on your own server and all of that, right? So data privacy and all of that. So in the EU there are many regulations which can be eliminated with this solutions, open source solutions. Okay, now let's see how we can do it, right? So first I have this agent. So basically it is just agent, customer care or receptionist for a dental clinic. Nothing serious is going on here. I have implemented it for dental clinics, but their prompt is more robust and everything. Obviously I can't share exactly that, but this is a simple agent which is for booking the appointment, take of our message or general queries about the uh, clinic, right? So I will just start it. You will see what it is saying, and then I will use my mobile phone. I can call to this agent now, but I will just use their test features. And then I will run my agent on the live kit and will do the same talking or the questioning to my live kit agent, and you will see how it is exactly same.
Hello, welcome to New York Dental Clinic. How can I help you today?
Okay, my bad, the speaker was on headphones, but now I have a speaker on.
Hello, welcome to New York Dental Clinic. How can I help you today?
Hey, what is your name?
My name is Maria, and I'm here to assist you with your dental care needs at New York Dental Clinic. How can I help you today? May I have your name, please?
Can you tell me what you can do?
Of course. I can help you with the following: book, cancel, or reschedule dental appointments, answer general questions about it.
Okay, enough. So now I will just run my or start my agent on the live kit. By the way, why you have to start, because obviously it is not deployed somewhere. For deployment you can use it AWS, fly.io and these kind of services, and you can deploy your agent so that it can answer your calls anytime. So dental agent.py start. So this will be the command. Okay, and it is saying something is not right. And why is that? uh oh, okay. So here for the first line I have to use single quotation. So this is the same line which Retell is using right here, right, as the first message. So we can do the same setting here as the session.say command. Now I will open up my virtual phone so that I can call a US phone number. By the way, this agent is connected to a Twilio phone number, and you will see some activity here so that we can know this is the actual agent which is replying to us. Yes, I have here. I will keep it on speaker.
Hello, welcome to New York Dental Clinic. How can I help you today?
Can you tell me what is your name?
My name is Maria. Could you please tell me your name?
Yeah, so, and also tell me what you can do.
Sure. I can help you book, cancel, or reschedule an appointment. I can also
So all the things same. It is just asking, I think, similar, very similar questions. Obviously, the models LLM is different. I am using from OpenAI, something like their real-time API. They are using 4.1 model. So we can use any model here, right? Now let's see the structure of the app. So what we have seen is everything is similar. Now so some people ask me when they first hear about the LiveKit, that can we do all the things which we are doing on Retell on the LiveKit? So answer is absolutely yes, and the reason is because when the LiveKit Retell is based on LiveKit, so that means if you use LiveKit, you can definitely have the same features as Retell, right? I mean, that is just a common sense, right? So here you can see all the transcription is going. My name is Maria, everything, and then what I said, yeah, can you tell me what is your name? So that was conversation item from user, item added from user. Now incoming call from this number, this was my virtual phone number. So yes, all of the details can be grabbed here, and then it can be sent to a webhook or whatever, just like Retell send you the transcription or the summary, right? Okay, so that was it. Now let's see first a structure of the code, and then uh, I will just conclude this video. So first we are building the importing the libraries for the agent. First is definitely we want to use the agent module, and then we want to have a session room. We want to create a room for our agent and the participant, and noise cancellation, OpenAI, these are all your choices if you want to use. And then you can have like all the function callings just like Retell have it here, all of that, right? So check availability and all that. Oh, yeah, we can use that. And then the same prompt, Maria or whatever. And then when the session will be ended, then you can do some stuff like sending the summary, creating the summary, which number called, right? Like length of the call, minutes, everything. And then you are just printing the transcription, and this is the first message. And then you are saying just run this agent with the run app, right? So that it can run all the time. And you can use fly.io. This is my personal favorite to deploy the LiveKit agents. And yeah, it is like quite interesting and quite reliable, fast, right? So yeah, that will be it. And if you are working on any custom project, you can reach out to the email or the WhatsApp, and we can have a session together to discuss if we can build things together. Okay, perfect. Thank you for watching. I will meet you in the next video.